What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Though it's been a while, you guys understand this by now. It's a few months between clips because money. You know, these parts aren't cheap, and you guys know that. You guys understand. But just wanted to give a quick little update video because I know it's going to be another long stretch between the next set of parts I can order. But I was able to order some things thanks to COVID-19. Uncle Sam sent us some money, and I didn't spend it wisely. Let's see what I bought. That's right, wheels and tires. So we got Mickey Thompson, what are they? Sportsman Pro, 29 by 15 half by 15. Street legal tires, 15 and a half wide, 15 rim. Just beautiful. Beautiful looking tires. And then the rims are the cheapest set of 15 by 12s I could find on anywhere. But I got both of these from Summit Racing. I was able to find what I need there, and it turned out beautiful. But as you saw in that little panorama video, have been working on some linkages in here. This is still up in the air. There's still some debating on where I want some of these parts to go, but for the most part the caliper is going to stay there and all that jazz. But I'm not worried about steering. I just wanted to get rid of some parts that came in that's the straight axle kit. Might as well get some of it on and figure out where some of these bolts go. Next plan. Next thing I'm going to work on is shocks. Shock mounts on the top plate there, and then the stem that comes off the arm like that. So, yeah, a little stem that comes off of the center there, goes up. Shocks mount up here, over, mount up here. Did have one gentleman ask me what my plans were. This is kind of what I'm going with. You can, let me get this stupid light here. You can kind of see on this print it's a plate. It's a plate that holds up the shocks. Well, I got plenty of leftover 3x3. Oh, over there. Plenty leftover 3x3, so I'm just going to make a stem out of that and maybe a little kicker brace. And that's going to be my mount for the shocks. The coilovers, I call them shocks. The coilovers on the arm side to the top plate on the main frame. It will be dual coilovers, just like on the model and every picture you've ever seen, if that picture's showing it. But that is the next plan. Like I said, I just wanted to make this video because I knew that's going to be out a little ways. It's going to be a while before I can get them. Sorry, but that's life. You know, this is just a hobby. Don't make money. Don't make money spending money, if you know what I mean. But yeah, just want to give you guys a quick little update. And I think she's they're looking pretty nice about now. I actually turn it. You'll have an idea of what it looks like turning. Sort of, that's all guessing, and it doesn't look all the same anyway. But, alright, thanks for tuning in, guys. Sorry it's a short video, and sorry I didn't really do anything, but so's life. See you later.